Hello and welcome to another lecture of Photoshop training from zero to pro. So today's lecture is about vectors. So what are vectors? Vectors are actually images that are made using paths. Means that you create a path and fill it with some color, usually black, and that colored path is called a vector. So when we talk about vectors, there are different things like polygons, rectangles, circles that we can make, we can draw, we can change the shape. So let's start with our lecture of vectors, in which we will cover the pen tool, the shape tool, the point tool, the text tool. All the tools that are used to create vectors will be discussed in this lecture and upcoming lectures. So starting with the text tool, you can see I have written a text here. So to write a text, you just have to click on this text icon or the text tool, and by pressing on it you can see that there are two types of option available, which is horizontal type tool and the second one is vertical type tool. So as the name suggests, one is used to write the text in a horizontal direction and other is used to write text in vertical direction. So let us first start the horizontal type tool. Select a tool and click anywhere on your canvas and type what you want to type. So I have written apple. After typing a text, you can arrange it by the help of the move tool, and if you want to change some part of the text or the color, you can select the text, and here are some options. You can change the font. You can change either it is regular, bold, italic, or you can set it according to your size, the size of the text, and here the main thing, how do you want your text to look like. Let's suppose I'm going to turn off none. You can see the edges of this text. Let me zoom in. You can note the edges of this text. It is this text has no properties apply on it regarding the text. So when I select smooth, you can see now it has some, sorry, no text is smooth. So you can change it crisp, smooth, strong according to your need or your document need. So the next option is the alignment, the left, the right, or the middle, the center alignment. The next one is the color option, the color of your text that you want to show on the screen. You will select the color, and then the option of 3D that we will discuss later when we discuss our advanced tools, in which we will make some 3D graphics and vectors, and we will convert all these things into 3D. So the last option here is the text warp tool. The text warp tool gives us option to warp our text in arc, in arch, and different shapes that we want to apply. Let's suppose I select the arch shape. It has converted my text into an arch shape. You can control the bend of the arch. Also, you can control the horizontal distortion, that how your text will look like horizontally, or the vertical distortion, that how your text will look. All these things can be adjusted, and just you have to click on OK, and that effect will be applied on your text. Let me delete this layer. The next thing you can do is that you can select the text tool again, but now instead of just clicking, you have to draw a region so that you can type a paragraphic text. Let me change the font size to 48. Okay, 48. I'm going to just type some dummy text. You see that I have written many lines, but all the lines are joined with each other or being overlapped. So select all the text, click on the text and press Command A or Control A on Windows PC. Now select this option, the characters. In here you can see different options like again the text font, the size, and now these are two options that we are going to focus. One is the vertical spacing and one is the horizontal spacing. So for the vertical spacing I can increase the size, and you can see that all the text are now have some space. As for the horizontal spacing, let me open this. Why this? Okay, if I decrease this, you can look that all the words are just joining each with each other, and if I increase it, all the text is going far away from each other. So by this you can control that how condensed or how wide your text should look, and just click the move tool and you have your text. So this is the text tool, the basics about the text tool, and we will surely learn about the advanced techniques when we will cover all the advanced lectures in our future topics. Thank you. That's it for today.